I have a surprise for you. You know how much we love to go to weird and wacky places? Well, how can it get more wacky than this? We are at Uranus! I heard they pack a good fudge. So I'm not really sure what to expect. We're here, it's close to Route 66, but let's go. As everyone was outside having a good time, I was plotting where we were going to go next for our weird and wacky adventure. Roadside America is my go-to app, so I love looking through it and seeing what's close to the area, and sometimes you end up finding a gem. Now it's time to tell the family of my great idea. Welcome to Uranus, Missouri. This is home of the Fudge Factory and the Sideshow Museum. This is easily the weirdest place our family has ever stopped on Route 66. And this was the brainchild of Mayor Louis Keene. He had one goal: create a place that people would remember. So on July 2nd, 2015, he created Uranus Fudge Factory and General Store. Come join our family as we explore Uranus, and we're trying to figure out if they really do have the best fudge. Okay, right now it's Labor Day. We got these nice white shirts.
Don't you know you're not supposed to wear white after Labor Day?
Alright, it's time to go to the General Store and let's see what we can have. But for one thing for sure, I need some fudge. They tell you where you can enter Uranus. Their t-shirts are hilarious. Look at this. They got a Uranus Fudge Packer Union.
Carl, I found the perfect shirt for you. That is so you.
What's more gangster than this? So if you're a Patreon, you can get postcards mailed for us, and it's from Uranus. So those Patreons right now, you'll get it. If not, sign up.
Can I get a Rocky Road?
Okay, would you like that packed tight in a box or loose in a bag?
Pack it up tight.
Did you have fun exploring Uranus today?
Yes!
Awesome. Looks like you really dug deep.
Oh! Okay, another giveaway, guys. If you guys put in the comments, I love Uranus, I will mail you a postcard and this sticker. If you want to get a person to come to your roadside attraction, you better have a dinosaur there. All right, well, who we have here today is my cousin Jonathan and the rest of the Cortez clan. Last time you saw them, I think, was at Casey, Illinois. So this is gonna be pretty exciting. Jonathan, they even have a world's largest belt buckle we gotta check out.
They do.
Yeah. And look at this, the belt buckle is actually certified through the Guinness Book of World Records, similar to Casey, Illinois.
That's a big belt buckle.
It has the width of 13.371 and the height of 10.12 feet. It's like a wild, wild west town of crazy things. Right over behind me is Uranus Jail. We're gonna go check it out. So they have a really cool thing here where you can actually pet an alien. I think Melissa's gonna give it a try. Hey Melissa, look at this. Hey, look at these dangerous baby rattlers. Yo, look. No, look. No. It's really good. Look, why are you so scared? That's the baby rattlers.
Okay. This is baby rattles. Just pretend. See? We're in jail.
If you guys don't subscribe, you're gonna end up in jail. So, subscribe. I'm really having a great time here. Yeah, it's corny, yeah, it's a tourist trap, but it's what's meant to be. I really wish I was part of the old days seeing these sideshow circuses.
Hang in
There's your ticket, and feel free to slide right on in.
All right.
Now make sure you relax when you slide in, sir. It's more memorable that way.
Oh!
Have fun exploring Uranus.
If you're looking to indulge your curiosity for the strange and unusual, step right into the wonders of the Uranus Sideshow Museum. This is the second largest personal collection of oddities in the world. Here you can learn about the legends of the sideshows, such as the Three-Eyed Man and also the Elephant Man. I think after I examine this electrical chair, it's time to find the famous turtle Push-Pull and also Cat, the sword-swallowing woman. Who's the most popular? Push and pull? Let's do push and pull. You guys know how scared I am of animals, but doing this for you.
Where are you going?
So how did you guys find this one?
So these were part of our collection from the world's oldest traveling sideshow that we bought. That one's pull, this one's push. He gets pushed around a lot.
Okay.
They're solid. It's all one piece.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it's one piece?
Yeah, their whole underneath is one solid piece.
One thing they do have is a live sideshow. I thought a magician went on, then I realized this was Cat, a famous sword swallower. Oh. Oh. And to you loyal viewers, Cat agreed to do an up-close and personal sword swallowing. Oh my gosh, this kid, she's just swallowing swords.
Your turn.
Oh, no way. I'm good, thank you.